Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about how to prepare coconut butter at home. So we'll be preparing coconut butter at home, but before we do that, before we continue, kindly subscribe to our channel. Please just subscribe to this YouTube channel right now or follow this Facebook page right now in order to get more informations, more notifications whenever we drop our trainings. Please do so. Now let's move into today's preparation, today's training. I've broken the coconuts. I'm only making use of 2 coconuts here. I've broken it. So after breaking it from the shell, so after removing it from the shell, I wash, just rinse a little. So after rinsing, I would have to remove the outermost part. It has been removed. The reason why I removed it is just not to give us funny color. We don't want that funny brown in it. So after then, I'll have to slice these coconut into very smaller particles as much as I can. This is just to make dry faster. So you can dry this in the sun if you are in Nigeria and you are in a dry season, or wherever you are. If it is a hot season, then you can dry it in the sun. You can dry it using hydrator, and you can dry it using oven. I'll be using oven in order to have a fast training. It dries off and we finish this training on time. This is just for you. So let me quickly complete it and do it for you. I'm using my oven and I using the light that is coming above, and apart from that, I take it away from the fire so that the fire does not go on it and burn it. So we just want it to dry, not to burn it. So it is not much of fire, it is just average heat for it to dry. So this is it. It's changing color a little bit, but don't mind, it's okay. So far it is not burning and it's yet to dry off. I'm just trying to turn it, just stirring in order to bring all the parts up. So leave it in the oven again to dry off. So after drying, this is what I have. So if you look at it, it's breaking. So this is what I have. Okay, I'm putting this in my grinder. I'm making use of my grinder right now. If you are doing the bigger quantity, you either buy your big machine or you go and do that outside. I grind without putting anything. So this would have to grind it well. You make sure you grind it very well. Some blenders could not handle this, but my own is a grinder. It has a very strong blade and the speed is okay and so on. So it's grinding. This is the way it looks like at the beginning, but I still have to go there than this. So this is just it. I'm steering it so that we don't just have the lower part of it being grinded and the upper part is not being grinded. So that is why I'm stirring it. So I'm putting on the grinder again, lightening it up so to start work. So it has started. If you look at the cover, you'll see that it's watery. So that means it's working. Our coconut butter is forming right now. So as you can see, this is coconut butter. Wow. So this is coconut butter, but I still want it to go more. Just want it to go more. I don't know, but that one is okay also. So I covered it up and it's going. So and then again, I keep blending. Okay, I'm taking it off right now. This is more perfect. So I have to leave this open so that it cools down, so I don't make the mistake of burning my container again. So far I'm not putting it in the glass container, I'm putting it in a rubber container. I'm pouring it in the plate to cool down right now. So I have to make sure it cools down so that it doesn't burn my rubber container, since I don't have a glass jar. So after cooling down, pour it in my container, cover it up, and that's it. So I can use it for bread, for yam, for anything I want. So it's cool for anything you want. You can use it to take bread, you can use it to take anything you want. Anything you want. It's butter, so that's coconut butter for you. That's about how to prepare coconut butter. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and please follow us on Facebook also if you're yet to do so. And we have a powerful entrepreneurial book called Entrepreneur 101. If you're interested in making some productions at home care, skincare productions like Dettol, like Izal, like liquid soap, hair shampoo, and so on, just contact me on WhatsApp or give me a call. We'll discuss on how to get this book. This book is cheap and it's a book, not an ebook, not book you read online. It's an hard copy book, something you go through and it's a step-by-step book. Apart from this, we have more than 40 other things that you can do both online and offline in this book. Thank you.